In the village of Wolialtu, a major event is in preparation, the union of two families. Marriage is much too serious a matter to leave in the hands of the youngsters. Negotiating the crucial financial arrangements falls to the elders of both families. Here are the future bride and groom. Did your parents choose your wife?
Absolutely. And they chose well. I love her and I want to spend my life with her.
How can you be sure? You've only seen her once.
I asked her everything I needed to know. I look forward to living.
The future wife is not so happy. Getting married is a worrying prospect. It means the end of childhood, separation from her family and friends, and a leap into the unknown. Her father and mother know what she's going through and seem to share their child's anguish. In the house where her family and closest friends have gathered, the whole day will be devoted to saying goodbye. It's time for the cortege to depart. The messenger, the equivalent of our witness, recognizable by the traditional hat he's wearing, has come to fetch the bride. Before she leaves, the young woman has to share the farewell cup with everyone present. Until the union has been consummated, the bride must remain hidden from view, and the messenger must shield her. She's very dignified as she climbs on her mount, a mule that is part of her dowry. To protect herself from the sun, she's holding an umbrella that underlines her height. Since the end of their struggle to conquer Christian Ethiopia, the Oromoo have assimilated many of the local customs, and particularly weddings, celebrated according to Coptic ritual. In the groom's village, family and neighbors await the arrival of the cortege to begin the festivities. And here it is, headed by the young couple who are not yet allowed to speak or look at each other. It will remain so until the union is consummated, which will take place in the groom's home. The wedding will only be confirmed after the husband has verified his wife's virginity. The messenger escorts the bride to the nuptial house, and the guests eagerly await the announcement. The party will continue throughout the night. animated by the Debtera, who are storytellers, magicians, musicians. The next day, the young husband is back at work in the fields. Congratulations. How is life now you're married?
I don't know. Why do you ask?
Try to answer. It's my only question.
All I can say is that my wife was a virgin. I'm very happy. I have nothing more to say.
The rhythm of life is unchanged for the peaceful Oromo.